The Buiksloterweg Amsterdam project is a remarkable residence designed by Studio RIANKNOP in collaboration with Lab03. This unique home seamlessly integrates traditional architectural elements with contemporary design, creating a harmonious living space along the Buiksloterweg in Amsterdam. The facade of this residence is a modern interpretation of the traditional Waterland style, characterized by its wooden cladding. The use of black painted wood emphasizes the graphic interplay of lines, giving the facade a striking and contemporary appearance. While the front facade is predominantly closed, featuring a slatted structure that allows light to filter through selectively, the rear facade is designed to be as open as possible. This openness is achieved through a square-angled sliding front, enabling the small garden to seamlessly extend the living room on warm days. The construction of the house employs traditional building techniques, with a focus on high-quality craftsmanship. The wooden facade not only pays homage to the Waterland architectural style but also provides durability and insulation. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed to create a seamless connection between various living areas. Upon entering the ground floor, one is greeted by a spacious kitchen living room that serves as the heart of the home. A large void and an eye-catching staircase establish a visual and physical connection between the ground floor and the first floor. The first floor houses an additional living room equipped with a DJ booth, a library, and a movie corner, providing diverse spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Natural light is maximized throughout the residence by strategic design choices. The slatted structure of the front facade allows controlled light to enter, creating a play of light and shadow within the interior spaces. The large sliding doors at the rear facilitate abundant daylight, illuminating the kitchen living room and creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Additionally, the void connecting the ground and first floors enables light to permeate deeper into the house, enhancing the overall luminosity. The black-painted wooden facade provides a modern yet timeless appearance, while the interior features colored concrete flooring that extends into the garden, reinforcing the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The fireplace is plastered with concrete, adding a robust element to the living area. The interior decor reflects a contemporary aesthetic with personalized touches that resonate with the creative inhabitants. The design emphasizes openness and connectivity, with bespoke elements such as the open kitchen cabinet that transitions into a bookcase, and the eye-catching staircase that serves as a focal point. The small garden at the rear of the house is designed as an extension of the living space. The colored concrete flooring from the kitchen living room continues into the garden, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. On hot days, the garden becomes an integral part of the living room, facilitated by the fully openable sliding doors. This design approach not only enhances the sense of space but also allows the residents to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of their home. The Buiksloterweg Amsterdam residence is a testament to the harmonious blend of traditional architectural styles with contemporary design principles. Through thoughtful consideration of facade treatment, construction methods, spatial distribution, lighting, materials, interior decoration, and landscaping, Studio RIANKNOP and Lab03 have created a home that is both aesthetically pleasing and functionally adept.